We're in an emergency situation right now.
Dan Rolfe directs Lewis & Clark's Environmental Law Clinic and has been working on this sort of salmon litigation for decades. He's a plaintiff attorney in the injunction filed Tuesday.
We're asking the court to tell federal dam operators to operate those dams in a way that aims to increase the survival of juvenile salmon especially, but overall salmon and steelhead, to try to avoid that extinction trap that is increasingly looming for salmon.
One of those operational requests is increasing spill to help the juvenile salmon avoid the turbines. But a local power association is concerned that these changes would have a negative impact on the community. Northwest Public Power CEO Kurt Miller told KGW in a statement, quote, "The plaintiffs' push for sweeping restrictions on the Columbia and Snake River dams is an alarming threat to the livability of the Northwest. At a time when energy prices are climbing and our electric grid is under unprecedented strain, this motion risks plunging our region into crisis." Rolfe argues the previous 2023 agreement addressed that.
There are a number of ways to try to ameliorate that. One is, of course, to develop more renewable energy resources, which we desperately need anyway. And that was one of the aspects of the agreement between the federal government and other parties.
The Biden administration plan was to provide nearly $1 billion to the tribes in the region to develop that renewable energy, but now that's in jeopardy with the Trump administration.
We were working together on investments across the basin in fisheries infrastructure, but also looking to make investments in clean energy, looking to plan for the ultimate replacement of 4 dams on the lower Snake River that are especially unsustainable for the fish that return to that part of the basin.
We also reached out to the government agencies in this case, including NOAA Fisheries and the Army Corps of Engineers, but received automatic replies saying they were furloughed as a result of the government shutdown. And Earth Justice lawyer Amanda Gooden expects the state of Washington and the Nez Perce tribe to also file a supporting injunction. The federal government and those in defense will file in December, and Gooden says she hopes for a ruling in February as they've requested the injunction take effect March 1st. Back to you.
Thanks, Jake. Appreciate the follow-up.